You plant a tree, and it would benefit you in the long run. And you cut a tree, it would ultimately bring this biosphere to an end. Believe it or not, but that single tree can impact your life. Being a continuous source of oxygen for the living organisms, trees act as a savior and give them life on this planet. They soak all that carbon dioxide and release oxygen and make the survival possible. This is Earthy Perks, with a new episode to reveal about any exciting activity of planting 1 trillion trees. How would it impact on the environment and human life? Planting trees means struggling to conserve the environment and make this earth a better place to live in. It is estimated that on a good sunny day, averagely, you could plant up to 2,000 trees. It could be done in 10 consecutive hours. It is no joke, you guys. The easier it looks, most difficult it is. It is a hard nut to crack. Planting 1 trillion trees would depend on the climatic conditions and your environment. So, if you are the one living in the north, you probably would be facing a freezing climate. Or, if you are somewhere near the Saharas, you would melt with the extent of heat. So why would anyone want to face harsh environmental conditions to plant trees? A simple answer is, save the environment. Since 1900, with every passing day, Earth's average temperature is increasing by 1 degree. Too little to notice? But for your information, if our planet becomes even 2 degrees hotter than it was in the 20th century, believe it or not, but heat waves, flooding, crop failure, and animal extinction would be fate. All this increasing temperature is because of global warming, a kind of 3rd-degree torture for our planet. In case you think of getting rid of it, you have to plan something out of the box. An umbrella outside the Earth is what we need to shield all those blazing UV rays coming to Earth. But this seems somewhat impractical. Yet this shielding effect is the right solution. So why not to shield our planet with all that greenery? The trees we plant on Earth can absorb the carbon emissions that ultimately lead to global warming. At present, we have 3 trillion trees residing, whereas, as an estimate, we lose 10 billion of them every year. So if we are aiming to plant 1 trillion trees, we can withstand the hazardous effects of global warming and related consequences. It's not a one-person show. Preferably, every single human around the globe has to play his or her part. According to statistics, if an individual plants 150 trees, it would be easy to achieve that 1 trillion trees target. Still, planting 150 trees for an individual is stressful. According to modern researches, if we continue the present pattern of deforestation, in the next 300 years, there would be no green left on the planet. But wait, having technology on board would work. Using the tree planting drones in the helping hand, as they can plant up to 100,000 trees a day, the amount of work 50 tree planters would do. Whether we employ trees with the help of tree planting drones or other machines, or we do it by ourselves, the point is we have to do it. It's high time, and now we should think seriously to conserve our environment and to keep the Earth a better place to live in. On this note, this is Earthy Perks signing off. Till next time, stay tuned and keep watching Earthy Perks.